So first we're going to open up the Phonto app. You're going to click the camera down at the bottom and choose plain images. I chose the black background. Once you choose that, you're going to click at the top where the sizes are. And I scrolled down to iPhone 11 since that's the type of phone that I have. I'm going to click the, yep, there you go, the horizontal. And then I'm going to click the button at the right top corner. It's use. Add a text, tap the screen. And I just type made to the T here. Here you'll be able to change the text, the font. You can move it any direction you would like. You can change the color, the font. Here I'll be changing the color to pink. You can change the size, make it bigger or smaller depending on your preference. And then you're going to want to save this image. And you're going to save the image 3 more times, so a total of 4. So I'm going to add an image now. This is my first image I'm choosing. I'm going to put it in the middle, make it bigger where I need it to be. You can move it around. You can also tilt it, but I didn't choose to. Those are just the different options that it gives you when adding a picture. Just making sure the size is where I need it to be. Then you're going to save this image as well. I'm going to do it 2 more times. So you're going to add another picture, add an image, select the image that you're wanting to choose. And the way that I chose these PNGs pictures with the cutout is I use the Erase app. You can also do that. I'm just making sure the size is where I want it to be. You can tilt and everything here as well. Once you get the image where you want it to be, you're going to save this image as well. And then once you did that, you're going to add another image. This will be the last image that I'll be adding, since I only have 3 pictures, but you're going to have a total of 4 images that you have saved, which is the main title page, the first picture with the title, the second picture with the title, and the third picture with the title. Just sizing to make sure that it's where I want it to be. Just moving a few of them around. And once you get everything where it looks like it's perfect for you, you're going to save this image as well. Yes, once it's saved. Now we're going to go ahead and open up the Glitchy app. And you're going to take the 4 photos that you just saved from the Phonto app and select those. Once you've selected those, you're going to choose which glitch you would want to use. So you can go through them and choose which glitch works better for you. And then after you do that and chose one, you're going to want to save it. So here you'll save it. And then you'll choose the next one. And then you'll choose which glitch you want to use on that one. You don't necessarily have to use the Glitchy app, but I did because it just seemed like it made it look 100%, better. As far as like the effects and everything that's added to the picture. After you see which effect you want to use, I went through a couple, but once you see what effects you definitely want to use for that image, you'll just save it each time, just like how you did in the Phonto app. So here we're going to go ahead and save it. Once it's saved, you're going to go to the last photo. And you're going to go through your glitches again, basically. Once you choose which glitch you would want to use, then you'll just save that glitch as well to that photo. Go ahead and save. Go. And then now we're going to go in our iMovie app and click movie. Instead of trailer, don't click trailer, click movie. Then you're going to click the last four from the Glitchy app that you just saved to your device. And they'll be in that same order, of course. So we're just going to the beginning of the iMovie. It'll, of course, have your title page. You can move it however you want. It may be too long for you. I shortened mine up because I didn't want my intro that long. You're going to click on Ken Burns Enabled to stop the image from moving. Here's where I shortened it up. I didn't want mine as long as it was before. You can change the effects as well. When it's transitioning, I didn't. Chose not to. And you can do it with each image. You can change it, the length or the duration, what's your preference. And I'm still just making sure that it's the length that I want it to be for the third image. And then we're going to go ahead and go to the fourth one to shorten that up because I didn't want it as long. And then we're going to go ahead into our Documents app. And we're going to look for a Beauty Guru green screen. This is so it can transition and make it look so much better because like right now it just kind of looks plain. So you're going to type in Beauty Guru green screen. I think I chose, yep, this one. Save to your as a PDF. It's going to ask you which one you want to save to. Create a folder if you would like. And then you're going to go in and look for another green screen. You're going to need a total of 3. So we're looking for green screen effects. You have to make sure you do this within the app, because if you try to do it with Safari, it won't save. So I did have to find the Documents app. So make sure you do have the Documents app downloaded. Here we're gonna go find a green screen for stars. The stars that I have in the background of the intro. This is the one that I end up going to or going with. So we're gonna save that as well. And then once that is saved, you're going to go ahead into the iMovie app, and then you're going to find just a background that you may have saved already. I had already saved this one. I'm going to add it. And to add it, you'll just click the plus sign. Once it's the length that you want it to be, then you'll go to the beginning of the movie. And you see here they are already downloaded from the Documents app that we use, the green screens. You're going to click the Add button. Once you add that, you're going to click Add to Green Screen, so it don't go to your actual video itself. So you're going to click green screen so it can transition. So you see that how the green screen is at the top. Then you're going to choose the stars and the 3 dots, and then click green screen again, and it'll show up in the background of it. So you'll just chop that if you want to, which I did. I stopped it where the background transition. See, I had to go back because I had it too long. I thought it had saved. So I'm going to go ahead and go back. Stop it where right here, where the background starts. Stop it there. I'm going to add my downloads. And then I'm going to go ahead and click the 3 dots. Green screen again. And then you're going to see my subscribe button with the background that transitions. You want to make sure that you click transparent for the green screen so it doesn't show up the green color. But other than that, once everything looks perfect and how you want it to be, you can go ahead and save it. And